Hello friends, welcome to my channel. It's Sean from Chantecaille-Beauty and welcome. We are getting into this video. If you're new, I hope you'd like, subscribe, and share, and smash the like button just to let me know that you enjoyed the content. We're going into a full face of Fenty makeup, and friends, I'm showing you how to get versatility out of your products. Some of you down in the comment section say that there are lipsticks, there are things that you have just sitting and it hasn't expired, but you haven't been grabbing for it lately. So I'm going to show you how to get versatility out of your products, and these are some of the products that I have from Fenty, and this is a full face of Fenty, but I'm showing you multiple ways to get more bang for your buck when it comes to Fenty, and especially if you're on Instagram and you're like huge on doing the Instagram photos, how you can really level up your photography and your looks using some of Fenty's products that you didn't even know that you can use to really take your look over the top. So without further ado, friends, let's get into this.
All right, friends, so I've already moisturized my face with the Chantecaille Rose de May, and I'm going in with the Fenty Pro'Filter Mattifying Foundation in 410. And it's a little bit brighter, but it matches my neck. So when I blend this out, you'll get to see. But this is super duper mattifying, so just remember that. I'm using a dense brush to blend it. Then I'm going in with the Fenty Pro'Filter in 345. I do love this, but again, this is mattifying. But these are the type of products you want to use in the spring, summer, especially if it's really humid. A matte finish, because by the time you go outside, friends, yeah, you'll need something matte. And I'm going in with the Bright Fix Eye. This is hydrating, and it looks like a lot, but as you can see, it blends out nicely. And I'm setting it with the Fenty Honey Powder. Now, I'm going to warm up everything, not only with this Fenty Pro'Filter powder in 400, but I'm also going to use bronzer as well. So you'll get to see that, you know, it's not as scary as it looks. And now using the Fenty bronzer in Mocha Mami, I'm just warming up my face. Bronzers tend to give us warmth and this sun-kissed glow. So taking it into the hollows of my jaw as well as around the periphery of my face and underneath my chin. Now, a technique I've been enjoying is a dry contour. I discovered this technique myself in the house, just playing around with makeup, and I love it. And I'm just carving out my nose. So I'm doing the opposite. We tend to contour before we put on powder. I'm doing a dry contour, and I call it a dry contour because it's going on top of powder. So I'm going to dust it out with that Fenty Pro'Filter powder just so that there are no harsh lines.
All right, friends, so you know I love to use products for multiple things, but this is just for Instagram, okay? If you're going to Instagram or if you're going to wear this for a short period of time, I'm going in with the Candy Venom from Fenty. I'm going to get this pink shade and I'm going to put it on the back of my hands, all right? It's so gorgeous. Taking a clean brush, I'm going to grab this product off the back of my hand and get it onto the brush. So I'm gonna use my Scott Barnes number 59 brush, and I'm going to, because this is angled, I'm also going to use this as an eyeliner. I'm going to go into Sandcastle. This is another one of my favorites. This beautiful shade that came in their mini duo in the middle of my eye. Ooh. So I'm just planting that there. What I can tell you about this too is it looks icy, but when you put on eyeliner and mascara, it's gonna really look nice. So I'm taking this in the inner corner as well. So imagine we're going out for a formal, this is going to be that standout combination that you're going to go after. So I'm just going to take a little bit more of this and we're going to work with this eye. Now, I would use this side of my face if I'm going out for a nice dinner, maybe a first date, not doing too much. But if we're going glam or to a charity event that's a formal, sparkling, New Year's Eve, think party, think cocktails and whatever they do at New Year's. I haven't done New Year's in a long time. So there we go. And I'm gonna come in close so you all can really see how this looks. And I'm trying to concentrate this on my lids because I don't want it going up into that transition area. So I'm trying to carve this out as carefully as I can, and then bringing it down into the inner tear duct here. And as you can see, it just opened up my eyes a lot when you go in with that brighter shade. And it looks very youthful. It looks very Ice Princess, but it still looks youthful. I'm gonna go in with something very thick and compact here, the Chanel brush. And I'm just gonna lightly stamp this because of course, less is always more. So gently stamp this onto the cheeks. You know what this reminds me of? Pink Explosion from Chanel. So right here on the cheeks. And this is just to lay down the pigment, and then, you know, we'll buff it out. It's youthful, it's right on the cheeks. Almost acts like your cream blush. I'm gonna go into my Lancome brush, which is just a nice fluffy brush, and just buffing this out just to soften it up a bit. All right, friends, I'm gonna go into lashes. Ooh, these are the Chandelier Luxe lashes in the style Caprice. Shake this up a little bit. I don't have to worry about waiting to use it. It acts as a light eyeliner and a lash adhesive, and there's no lag time. Looking down. And that is what I mean. Like, there is no wait time. All right, friends, I'm also gonna go in with my Stilazzi Smoky Eye Brush. If you have not tried Stilazzi brushes, now is the time. They are amazing. They pick up product beautifully. They lay it down beautifully. What we're gonna do is we're going into Candy Venom again, and I'm gonna use this as a lip liner. So just lining my lips here with this. Look at that color, friends. And the key is to use something very, very small like this. Of course, you can always go back into the product if you see that you're running out, which I probably will do. And I'm just going to use clean fingers here.
So friends, here is the finished look. I hope you love how it turned out as much as I did. It's very mattifying and it lasted me all day.